Hey there. So today we're going to talk about how to use Quora for link building and improve your online authority. So we're going to go over uh, what is Quora, how to identify good opportunities, how to use Quora, an example SOP, and at the end we're going to share with you our template and process for this. So let's dive in. Quora, what is Quora? Quora is an answer engine essentially. It's sort of like more of a direct approach than a search engine. And at the time of this recording, Quora has 300 million active users and growing. So it's pretty huge. There's actually a ton of opportunity on Quora. I feel like this is under most people's or a lot of people's radar. It's actually a really powerful platform. Um, Quora answers also rank in organic search, and this is one of the reasons that we use them. So we're going to leverage those organic positions and specifically target them for that organic position. So how to identify opportunities? We use a process of finding Quora answers that rank and meet certain criteria. We use SEMrush for this, and I'll go through that here shortly. We're looking to find answers that rank in the top 20 results with a certain level of traffic and that contain our target keywords. So we filter all of the organic rankings that Quora has, many, many millions, and we basically filter that down to the specific relevant ones that actually appear in the search results and have a certain level of traffic. So there's little point in targeting ones that don't rank anywhere and have no traffic, although not zero, but the process is to identify the top opportunities. So we're going to go through that process, and at the end of this video, we're going to give away our SOP and process for doing this. So how to use Quora answers. This sounds a little cliche, but the best use of Quora is to provide the best possible answer. Definitely sounds cliche, but it's important. Provide the highest quality response such that it gets upvoted to be the top answer. And because you put a lot of time and effort into creating a good answer, and it will ultimately rise to the top, you're really leveraging that organic traffic that we're targeting. So this is kind of almost like a cheat to get in the search results higher up. Furthermore, it also positions you as an authority, and that helps with some of the EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness criteria. So you can get a link, you can get traffic, and you can improve your EAT. So it's a threefold win with Quora. This is one of the reasons I really like this particular technique. So now let's walk through one of our SOPs for this purpose. So every activity we do has a specific SOP. We go through how long it will take, what you need, how to do various things. So first of all, you make a query in SEMrush. You adjust the filters to refine results, identify good topics, review the current Quora answers, research the topic, write an answer, and for our own internal processes, we send it to the client or account manager for approval. So here's an example query, and I have one that we're going to sort of start from scratch what we would do. So this is just a templated query in SEMrush, and what you can see is we're doing the organic research on Quora.com to pull up keywords, and right now what we're doing, top 20 with volume of 200, and I believe this has the default filter for SEO. You filter by keyword, and normally it's populated in there. So what this has found, out of the many, many millions of organic results that Quora has, we found 560 keywords, potentially nearly 20,000 searches per month for these keywords. They're ranking in the top 20. You can review them, you can go and find ones that are relevant, and you can adjust and refine these filters to find more optimum results. And we always do that for each different account because every niche is different. But ultimately, you then find some useful Quora answers. And in our SOP here, we actually do call out one. So, we go through the process here, identify good topics. And here's an example of a good one. I think I have it pulled up already. Actually, a different one. Let's just pull this up and review this answer. So how do I get Google certified for SEO? question that many people ask. You actually also get to see some of the stats on some of these answers. So you see how many upvotes and views they've had. So you don't want to pick something that has no upvotes and no views, but you also don't want to pick something that has like 100 upvotes for like 12 views. You want a good ratio there. And ultimately you provide your answer, and you hope that it gets upvoted. And it is important that you really make sure to provide a quality answer. I can't stress that enough. It's beneficial to have anyway, but it's much better to have a really high quality answer. And so, here's an example of one that we liked, that was good. You write the answer, we use a content brief, and we also update our link building pipeline and report out on the nature of that. So essentially, that is the technique. I'm going to link this process and document in the comments. Please let me know if you have any other specific questions or thoughts on this. This is one of the many techniques that we have for gaining links and improving authority for client sites. Thank you very much.